Harper Engineering supports the world's leading aircraft with precision-engineered cabin components trusted by top OEMs and integrators. Products include overhead bin latches that last the life of the aircraft, continuous fiber reinforced thermoplastic composites, emergency equipment brackets, seat track fittings, engineered to do their job so well you never need to notice them, lavatory door latches, hinges, soap dispensers, and more. Highly engineered devices such as precision decompression latches and flight deck door locks that are literally bulletproof. Ceiling latches, securing the cabin with quiet reliability. Composite panel fasteners that bring unparalleled efficiency to aircraft interior construction. Panel assemblies are fastened with standard hardware, facilitating rapid, accurate, and fixtureless assembly of interior monuments. Blind thread locking inserts for injection molding, higher performance and shorter sizes than you can get anywhere else. Custom sizes available. World-class design expertise, rapid prototyping, and precision manufacturing, from CNC machining to injection molding and automation, as well as assembly with great attention to detail. From simple components to complex assemblies, we perform full lifecycle and load testing to ensure every part meets its performance demands for the long haul. Quality assurance and on-time delivery metrics greater than 99.9%. Harper Engineering, turning your problems into solutions since 1968.